queen of vegan soul food, and today I want to introduce you to my big Sunday morning Southern style breakfast. And today we will be featuring vegan pancakes, vegan eggs, vegan ham, and even a pot of hot grits. So if you've never made grits before, this is the day to start. So let's get started. And I also have other good news. For my pancakes, I'm going to list a gluten-free version in the info box. Teaspoon of egg replacer. I'm not going to need much more than that. If you don't have any egg replacer, then this recipe will still work without it, actually. This is a very good go-to recipe when you want to do some vegan pancakes real quick. And you can even use spelt flour instead of wheat flour interchangeably. But that gluten-free mixture I'm going to use, it's not going to even have spelt in it. I'm going to work in my teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla is optional also. I just like to add vanilla to my pancakes because it gives it a little more character. I'm going to add a cup of milk. I went over a little bit, so I'm just going to leave that end in there. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. My teaspoon. Okay, my salt. My all-purpose flour. And my pastry flour. Stir this a little bit gently. I'm going to work it around. Don't want to overwork that gluten in there. And then I'm going to add my baking powder, which will be 2 tablespoons full. I'm going to continue stirring, and our griddle should be just right. We're going to send this right on over there and let it cook. Just gently fold in the ingredients, and your little dry ingredients that you get on the side of the bowl. All right. My grease is even again, and it's nice and hot, sizzling. I'm going to add my batter. I like to use a rubber spatula too on this part because it gets all that batter out easily. Stir it one more time and work it on in now. Alright, now we're going to turn this lady over to see what she looks like. Woo. Touchdown! I'm just kind of neatening up those sides that tend to splatter. And make sure to work your grease around because the grease will tend to settle to one side. You want the grease evenly in the skillet. And I hope I'm not insulting your intelligence by showing you how to make a pancake. I'm sure most of you can, but just in case you haven't tried a pancake, then I'm just showing you anyway. I just want to show you that you can make a pancake without eggs and buttermilk. Okay, I think she's ready to go. Yes, she is. Look at that beautiful baby. All right, let's put one more on there. I'm in the middle of enjoying this pancake frying session, so I'm not gonna even stop the tape. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Just evening out this grease again. You can also I think I'm gonna make this one big. Nothing says I love you in the morning more than a big fat pancake on a Sunday. You know, during the weekdays we get busy and we don't have time to cook, so we'll eat the box waffles and all that kind of stuff. But on a Sunday, it's all about cooking a homemade batch of big pancakes or either some buttered biscuits. And I'll get to that on another video. Oh, she's so pretty under there. I'm gonna let her sit for a few more minutes, and then we'll flip her over. By the way, this KitchenAid spatula is a miracle because it's super long and it gets underneath big pancakes just the way you want it to. That way you don't have to worry about messing up your pancake. Alright, work my spatula under there, and I'm going to flip her over.
Up next, Part 2, Creamy Grits. Part 3, Vegan Breakfast Ham. Part 4, Tofu Scrambled Eggs and Soy-Free Vegan Scramble.